So to add version control to our project, first we need a remote repository. So I'm using Git. I just added one then, and I called it YouTube-lab. And because I'm using SSH, this is the relevant address. So let's now go to our project. We now need to make a Git Ignore. And what this does is it tells Git what files and folders to ignore inside our project. The ones that we need to ignore are basically anything that we don't code ourselves. So that includes node modules, which is generated from our dependencies, Next also generated from our dependencies, and the IDEA. Notice that's .next because you can see that's .next, oops, and .idea because there are some hidden folders there which my text or my IDE generates. So with these created, we can now add our folders. Oh, first we need to initialize Git. So that's as simple as writing git init. Well, we need to do it in the right folder, of course. So going to YouTube lab, git init. Okay, initialize empty Git repository, that's good. So here I think some things might change. Oh, okay, nothing changed, whatever. So let's add some stuff to our repository, git add, git commit. We need a commit message, so we can say something like created hello world. So that's what we did last time. And now you can see all of these files and this folder being added to Git, or being committed, sorry. Okay, so now we need a remote repository to push to, and we've already created that. So to check if there already exists one, there won't be because we just initialized it, but let's check anyway, is git remote /v, nothing shows up, meaning there's nothing there. So let's add one, git remote add origin, and then, yeah, origin is like the name of where we're pushing it to. I don't know why it's called origin. Maybe someone can tell me. And then you can paste the address, which we took from here, and push enter. And now if we write git remote v, we've got our address there. Okay, so I think we're ready to push to that address. Do we need to do anything here? No, it looks okay to me. So yeah, here we go. Look, there's instructions right here that tells you this is what you should have done. So I could have just copied and pasted these lines, but I did it without that. So now I'll copy and paste this one. So git push -u means upstream to origin master. Okay, so now that we'll be pushing our files and folders into our repository, I hope. So let's click on the repository, see what happens. And here we have our pages, git ignore, package lock, and package JSON. So we have successfully initialized Git and we have version control for our project. It's as simple as that. So thanks for watching and see you next time.